Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to perform a noise reduction on your audio using Audacity. So without wasting too much time, let's jump right into the video. This right here is my Audacity and I've already imported my audio. So let's begin. So the first thing we're going to do now is to play this track for you to actually hear where the noise is. You won't get the noise until I've stopped talking, so let's listen to it now. Hello video editors, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be creating the following video on DaVinci Resolve just by cutting. So if you listen to it very well, you find out there's little noise in the audio, so we're going to try to remove it. So the first thing we're going to do is select the part of this track where I'm not talking. We're going to go up to effect and then come down to noise removal and repair and then noise reduction. So with that done, this is where we're going to perform the magic. So we're going to start by reducing the noise. So it's normally on 6, and then to reduce the noise you have to increase it to 12 decibels, that is. So when that is done, you leave sensitivity as 6 and then frequency at 3, and then when that is done you click on OK. Then you go back to effect and then repeat the same thing again, but this time around, instead of working on here, you get noise profile, and then when that one is done, click on Ctrl A to select the entire track, and then go back up to effect, but this time around come to repeat noise reduction. So just like that, the noise has been reduced. So let's play this. Hello video editors, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be creating the following video on DaVinci Resolve just by cutting. So guys, listening to that, if you're able to listen very well to this, you find out that the noise you heard before has already left. So that's how you perform a simple noise reduction on your audio. And just so you know, if you decide to go lower than 6 on the noise reduction, it will affect your audio one way or the other. So let's just stick to the way it is. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye for now.